Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust sound settings on your Philips 32PFS6939 TV. First of all, press the gear button on your remote control and then navigate to all settings menu in here. After that, you're gonna have to scroll down to sound option and then in sound settings, go to sound style and select the style that you prefer, adjusting the sound style to your current media. And if you want to have access to more sound settings, you can go with personal mode. Then by enabling personal mode or style, you'll be able to access personal settings where you can enable Clear Dialog feature by switching this toggle to the right, and you can also enable AI Equalizer and customize it in the following menu by adjusting each leveler manually. Now here we can also change the TV placement, so select the TV placement that you currently use with your TV. So if your TV uses a stand, select on a TV stand, and if your TV is hanging on a wall, make sure to select on the wall here. This will improve the quality of your audio. Now EasyLink to 0 will only be available if you have some sort of audio device connected to your TV, and the EasyLink feature is enabled in general settings. Now the general settings are the ones with the gear icon on them. So as you can see right now I have them selected, and here if you want to use EasyLink 2.0, make sure to enable EasyLink 2.0 sound control. Now in advanced settings we can enable or disable audio volume feature so that your sound volume doesn't drastically change when you switch between channels. We can also adjust the DLTF volume to change the gain offset, and we can also change the audio output. The default option is TV speakers, where you can also use HDMI sound system if you have it connected to your TV, wired headphones, opticals, or combined sound of TV speakers and wired headphones. And we can also change the digital out format using stereo, multi-channel, or multi-channel bypass. And so if you have a home theater, you'll also be able to adjust digital out leveling. And below we can also enable the digital output delay, and if you enable our digital output delay, you can also adjust the offset in milliseconds. And that's basically all the settings that you have access to on your TV. So I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.